In this era of the digital world, data has gained a great significance. Every organization is looking forward to reduce their unstructured data. As per reports, 88% of the data of any company is unstructured. This generates the need of efficient data scientists. And to fulfill the need, we, Global Coach Academy, have introduced training classes for Python, AWS, RPA, AngularJS, R programming, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning. We follow flexible training courses, which includes classroom as well as online classes, weekend and fast-track classes, corporate training and B-school training. We support you with ebooks, soft copies and quality study material, hands-on practice sessions, FAQ sessions for doubt solving, seminars and guest lectures and many more. We provide certificates on completion of courses, and also assist in placements. For more details, visit our website or connect with us by the following number.